My nails look so bad right now. I tried to paint them blue last night, but I don't really know what happened, but like the nail polish just would not dry and it like got all gloopy and stuff. So now I have like little nasty dry bits of like nail polish around the little cuticle areas of my nails because it just won't come off. And just ignore my nails in this video. I'm really sorry about them. Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, I would love it if you would click that red subscribe button down below. Come and be a part of my Hannah Corns. I post and upload new videos every Thursdays and Saturdays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern times. And today is going to be a makeup tutorial, and it is going to be a makeup tutorial of this look right here. So we kind of have some beautiful gold glitteriness going on over here on my eyes, and then on my lips I just have a beautiful red lip color. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this tutorial and see how I achieved this look. Into the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking the very light, kind of creamish color eyeshadow and applying that to my crease using this tiny little crease brush. Going into the yellow gold shadow from the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be applying that shade to my lid using this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Going into my Beauty Concepts eyeshadow trio, I'm going to be applying that shade right there into my crease. This is just my everyday little eyeshadow trio, so as you probably can tell, I really like this thing a lot. I got this from TJ Maxx for just a couple of dollars. It was very inexpensive, but the great thing about this is that it is super good quality, which is really impressive. So for the brush that I'm going to be using, it's just this Urban Decay eyeshadow brush. Now comes the fun part, and that is glitter. So for glitter, I'm just going to be using this little Wet n Wild pressed glitter in the shade Brass. I picked these up at the dollar store earlier in the summertime, and I just knew that these were going to be perfect for Christmas tutorials because they had this gold one, they had a silver one that I picked up. They just had a ton of colors, so I definitely stacked up and got a bunch of different colors that I'm going to be using in a lot of tutorials coming up really soon. So to apply this glitter, I'm just going to be using my finger. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is just the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Last but certainly not least, for the eyes, I'm going to be applying a false eyelash, and I'm using the LA Colors lashes in the style Diva. Alrighty, so now that we are done with the eyes, we're going to move on to the rest of the face. So first off, I'm going to be applying foundation. This is my everyday go-to foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Nude Ivory. I really like the coverage that this gives, and I love the fact that it is a matte finish, so I'm going to be using that. Then for concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Light Sand. And then to set the concealer in place, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock It Loose Translucent Setting Powder. And then to blend out the foundation and the concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Blending Brush. And then to apply the powder, I'm just going to be using this little powder puff from Amazon. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Now for blush, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and I'm just going to use that blush right there because it is a very soft and natural blush. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Profusion Blush Brush. Next up is highlighter, and for highlighter, I'm just going to use the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. This is one of my absolute favorite drugstore highlighters. It is very glowy and very shiny and very illuminating. It does have tiny little chunks of glitter in it, but I promise you it is an absolute gorgeous, blinding, and stunning highlight. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Misery and Fierce. And this is a beautiful, gorgeous red color that is going to be perfect for the holiday season. Alrighty, so that was all for my red and gold makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you all in my next video really, really soon. Bye, my little unicorns.